Here, we'll publish a thorough, simple explanations of the advanced chemistry course.
A YouTube channel called New Age Science wants to pique your interest in science. We concentrate on educating students and supporting them in the areas of chemistry, biology, physics, and everyday science. Through entertaining, educational, and engaging content, this channel seeks to engage viewers with the scientific world. Our channel is all about science. From basic to intermediate level sciences, including chemistry, biology, and physics, we describe key ideas and concepts here. A chemistry course to cover selected topics covered in advanced high school chemistry courses, correlating to the standard topics as established by the American Chemical Society. Students should have a background in basic chemistry, including nomenclature, reactions, stoichiometry, molarity, and thermochemistry. Our advanced course includes videos of lectures and has 5 modules. We also upload practice questions with each module on our website link given in description. In first module, we describe chemical kinetics. In second, chemical equilibrium. In third, acid-base equilibria. In fourth, aqueous equilibrium. In last, thermodynamics. This module examines the rates, speeds, at which reactions occur. You will examine the reactions on the macroscopic as well as molecular level and see how concentration and temperature play a role in the rates at which reactions occur. This module examines the quantitative and qualitative relationships between the relative amounts of products and reactants to see how far a reaction will proceed. The concepts of equilibria from the previous module are applied to acids and bases. Comparisons of strength and relationships between pH, pO, and concentrations of H+ and OH will be studied. This module continues and expands on the theme of equilibria. You will examine buffers, acid/base titrations, and the equilibria of insoluble salts. The overarching theme of thermodynamics is the prediction of whether a reaction will occur spontaneously under a certain set of conditions. Entropy and free energy. After completing this course, the student will be able to explain the concepts of kinetics, equilibrium, and thermodynamics. Complete calculations for kinetics, including reaction rates and integrated rate laws. Calculate equilibrium constants and concentrations for a variety of systems at equilibrium including acids, bases, and solids. Calculate the pH of solutions containing acids, bases, or mixtures of acids and bases. Calculate thermodynamic values such as entropy and Gibbs free energy. Predict spontaneity of reactions. You can contact us on the links given on description.